What's going on, everybody? 360 Digital Closing Bell here. I am your humble correspondent, Michael Tanner, here on this Monday, March 30th, 2020. I'm live from an undisclosed location here in Denver, Colorado. We got a great digital ticker line for you up. I'm going to talk about one big thing, which is a lot of the new supply and demand numbers that are coming out. It doesn't look good, and we will talk about some of the biggest movers on the day. Before we do that, please, if you have not listened to my Week Ahead podcast, please do that. It dropped on iTunes and Spotify this morning. You can check that out. Please rate, review, subscribe. However the Outteens algorithm works, do that so we get more stuff. Also, please check out some of the new content that Oil and Gas 360 and Enercom are dropping on their networks, on their Energy 360 network. Interview with Rare Petro and their CEO, Anthony McDaniels. Fascinating discussion. I was lucky enough to be a part of that. And then we will be dropping today or at some point tomorrow an interview with Landox. You will not want to miss those. And with that, let's go ahead and dive into the digital ticker. SPY 26.7. That's a 3.5% bump of the day. That's one theme you're going to see today. Equities up. Oil and gas down, unfortunately. NASDAQ, 7,774. That's a 3.62% gain. Really well on the day. Our Dow Jones, 22,232. That's a 690-point move to the north on the day, or about 3.19%. A great number to see. U.S. oil, though, this is where we get down to 2018. Low on the day was 1927. First time we've seen teen oil since early 2000s, an unbelievable number. That's a negative 7.43 drop. 12-month strip, though, did a little bit better. We're a 0.5% gain on the day, 35.76. And we move into natural gas, $1.69 even, or about a 3% gain. That 12-month strip did not as well, $1.17 or $2.59 and some change. Our XOP, which is our E&P securities contract, 32.01. That's down 0.3%. So even though the equities market up 3.5% today, oil equities still down, and our oil services contract, or OHI, was down even more, 4.5% at about $3.91. On the downside, our biggest movers, Mesa Royalty Trust, MRT, down to $5, even 22.83 at a 24% clip on the downside, 50 cents. Chaparral Energy, CHAP, and our biggest mover on the downside of the day, Centennial Resource Development, or CDEV, 26 cents, down 27%. Big numbers on the day. We've actually seen Centennial Resources a lot, unfortunately. But on the upside, Canadian Resources Corporation, $11.13, up 17% on the day. Good day. 20%, $7.64. PBF Energy and Sanchez Midstream Partners doing very well, up to 30 cents, 41.85% clip on the day. All right, my one big thing is just the new demand numbers are really coming out, and Saudi Arabia has said for April, as we move into April now here on the first Wednesday's our first day, but Saudi Arabia has come out and said that we're going to do 12.3 million barrels a day of production for the month of April. And the newest demand numbers that are coming out of Rystad Energy do not look good. Their global head of oil research said that we highly expect 16 million barrels to be taken off. And if that happens, we should expect oil to continue to slide. And already, your crude oil futures contract, or CL, is trading about 20.30 is right now as I look at it. And you can probably expect that to come down. And you might see $16, $17 oil. You might even see $10 to $15 oil. I mean, I'm not going to give you a specific range, but I think with this demand coming off, watch oil price continue to fall, and we should be looking at teen oil, unfortunately. But with that, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys get back to work. Thank you about the 360 Digital Closing Bell. We will see you guys